If you want to change the lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy Tab A11, then in that case you want to open Settings. On the left side we're gonna scroll down in order to find Wallpaper and Style, and then you can either go to change wallpapers over here, or you can tap on the lock screen, and then in here in the top left corner we can tap on Wallpapers. Now here we can choose the wallpaper that you wish to set for the lock screen. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here. And there we go. Now, of course, in this case, we can also, well, in this case, we cannot actually zoom in and zoom out, but in theory, if you choose, for example, your own photo or picture or image, then you can zoom in, zoom out, change the position, and so on and so forth. And also sometimes we can find additional settings at the bottom below the preview. And then we can press done in order to save changes. So this is what you have to do when you actually tap on the lock screen. But if you go to change wallpapers over here and change the wallpaper by using this method, then in this case, of course, you need to make sure that lock screen is selected. And you might also want to, for example, disable the change for the home screen if you just want to change only for the lock screen. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.